Hi everyone, welcome to Math 150 College Algebra. Today we will do some example for section 2.1 about basic of function and their graphs. Number 1. Determine whether the relation is a function. Give the domain and range for the relation. The relation is the set containing the order pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 8. Okay, look at this one. Look at domain or x, yeah, range or y. X is 1, 3, 8. Range is 2, 4, and 8. Okay, just 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 8 to 8. Okay, exactly one element. Yeah, exactly one element. So this is function? Yes, this is function. Okay, now look at the domain. The domain is, look at this one. Just write down 1, 3, and 8. The range is y. 2, 4, 8. Okay, go to the next one. Determine whether the relation is a function. Give the domain and the range of the relation. The relation is the set containing the order pair 1, 4, 1, 9, 3, 4, 3, 9. Okay, I just put that. Domain is X, range is Y. I done 1, 1. So it's not necessary to list duplicate numbers more than one. Just write down 1. Okay, because 1, 4, 1, 9. You just write down one time. Okay, 1. The other one is 3, 4, 3, 9. Just put one time, 3. Okay, now the range is 4, 9. Yeah, 1, 4, 1, 9. Okay, 3, 4, 3, 9. Look at there are more than ones. Yeah, there are more than ones. So this is function? Of course not. It's not function. Okay, so now look at the domain. The domain is 1, 3. How about range? Range is 4, 9. Okay, so now go to the next one. Determine whether the following oration represent a function. Give the domain and range for the relation. -1, -8, -3, 5, -6, -6, 5, and 5. Okay, I just write down again the same thing. Domain is X, range is Y. Look at domain, -4, -3, -6, 5. Okay, so now how about Y? Okay, Y, -8, 5, -6, 5. So we don't need to write twice, yeah? So it's mean right here over there, 5. So just look at -4 to -8, -3, 5, -6, -6, 5, 5. Okay? Because there are no other first that have the same first element but different second, yeah? Second element, this is exactly 1 over here. So this is function? Yes, function. Okay, now look at the domain. What is the domain? -4, -3, -6, and -4, -3, -6, and 5. So which one? This one. How about range? negative 8, 5, negative 6. Negative 8, 5, negative 6. The second one. Okay, follow this one? Yeah, I think follow, yeah? Just remember domain is X, range is Y. So number 4. Determine whether the following relation represents a function. If it is a function, state the domain and range. Okay, the relation is the set containing the order pair 2, negative 1, 3, negative 4, 6, 6, negative 4, negative 4. Okay, so write down again, yeah? Domain is X, range is Y. Let's write down domain 2, 3, 6, negative 4. Okay, now look at Y. Negative 1, negative 4, 8, negative 1. So we don't add it. I'm sorry, negative 4. Negative 1, negative 4, 8, negative 4. Okay, so I don't need to write twice negative 4. Okay, so now 2, negative 1, 3, negative 4, 6 to 6. Yeah, or this is 6, not 8. My eyes, my bad. Okay, change the color first. This is 6. I need to change my glasses. So now, negative 4 to negative 4. Okay, look at exactly one element to range. Yeah, exactly one. This is function. Yes, this is function. Okay, now look at the domain. What is the domain? 2, 3, 6, negative 4. This one. This one, yeah. 2, 3, 6, negative 4. How about range? Negative 1, negative 4, 6. Negative 1, negative 4, 6. Here we go. Okay, got the answer, yeah? So now go to the next one. Number 5. Determine whether the following equation define y as a function of x. Okay. To determine whether the equation x plus y equal 21, define y as a function of x. Okay. So now y equal like that. Okay. So we have to find y equal. Okay. Solve the equation for y in terms of x. If two or more value of y can be obtained for a given x, the equation is not a function. So now x plus y equal 21. We need y equal. So move x to the right side because positive, move become negative. Y equal 21 minus x. Okay, so now from this one, yeah, from look at x. Okay, from this last question, we can see that for each value of x, there is one and only one value of y. Okay, so we can put change x, replace x with 1. So we can put y equal 21 minus 1. So this will become equal 20. How about x equals 0? Y equal 21 minus 0. The answer is 21. Okay, so therefore, yeah, the equation defines y as a function of x. Okay, yes, yeah. Go to the next one. Now go to number 6. Evaluate the function f of x equal 3x plus 1 at the given values of the independent variable and simplify. Okay, remember that? Yeah, replace x. Okay, replace x because the question becomes f of x equal 3x plus 1. Replace x with negative 8. The b is x plus 1. For c is negative x. Okay, now for a first. F of x equal 3x plus 1. Ask about f of negative 8. Replace x with negative 8. So 3 times negative 8 plus 1. So the answer is negative 24 plus 1. So the answer is negative 23. B. Yeah, f of x equal 3x plus 1. They ask about f of quantity x plus 1, yeah? So now check x with x plus 1 plus 1. So distributive property, yeah? 3 times x, the answer is 3x plus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. So the answer is 3x plus 4. Okay, now C. F of x equal 3x plus 1. Okay, question is f of negative x. Replace x with negative x. 3 times negative x plus 1. So the answer x times negative x, 3 times negative x, sorry, 3 times negative x, the answer is negative 3x plus 1. Okay, this is for number 6. Now go to number 7. Graph the given function f and g in the same rectangular coordinate system. Then describe how the graph of g is related to the graph of f. F of x equal x, g of x equal x plus 4. Okay, so now, yeah, just look at, make a graph first. Okay, so just write down, try to make graph, so put x. Okay, I just put negative 2 to 2, yeah. So this is x, this is f of x. Okay, so this is x, I put negative 2, 0, and 2. Okay, so the answer become, because f of x equal x, so the answer become negative 2, this is 0, this is 2, because the same. So the point is become negative 2, negative 2, this becomes 0 and 0, this will become 2 and 2. Okay, now g of x, this is x, this is g of x equal x plus 4. Okay, so negative 2, 0, and 2. Just solve, yeah? Negative 2 plus 4, the answer is 2. 0 plus 4, the answer is 4. 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. So we can find the point here. Point is, this is negative 2 and 2. This is become 0 and 4. This is become 2 and 6. Okay, so I just make a graph on the bottom, yeah, because last time I tried put on the graph, my pen didn't work. Okay, I'm scared. I've already record several times, because after I put, okay, graph on the, on the graph over there, the graphic line, the graphic line over there is not working my pen. So this is why I just make it myself. Yeah, it's back over here. It's not good, but it's okay. It's right. So now it's okay like this. It's not good. It's okay. Okay. Now for x now. Yeah. Negative 2, negative 2. This is negative 1. This is negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2 over here. That's right. 0, 0, and 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2 over here. So this is for, okay, not bad. Yeah. F of x. Okay. Now change ink now. Blue, because g of x. Negative 2, 2. Okay. Negative 2 going up. 1 and 2 over here. Next, 0, 4. It's 2, yeah? 3 and 4 over here. Another one, 2 and 6. Go up over here. Yeah? So we can make a line. Okay, pretend toast, yeah? Okay, now look at is parallel, yeah? Now look at how much, yeah? How many for this one? So look at what the question. Oh, the graph of G is the graph of F shifted. Okay, shifted by what? Up or down? Okay, this is go up. Yeah, this is up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Yeah, up. So you choose the answer is up. Yeah, by how much? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So up by 4. So you just write down over here. A minute. I use different color. Yeah, this is up by 4. Okay. Okay, now go to the next one. A lot of graph over here. Yeah. So now, so graph the given function f and g in the same rectangular coordinate system. Describe how the graph of g is related to the graph of f. So make the same. We have to graph first. Okay. So this is x and this is f of x. Okay, so x equal absolute value x. Okay, just the same, take negative 2, 0, and 2. So absolute x. So everything become positive. Okay, so absolute negative 2, the answer is 2. Absolute 0, the answer is 0. Absolute 2, the answer is 2. So the point, yeah, become negative 2 and 2, 0, 0, 2, and 2. Okay, this is for f of x. Now for g of x. I have space or not on the bottom? Okay, I'll just put on the bottom here for g. So I have space for the graph. So this is x. This is g of x equal absolute x plus 4. The same, negative 2, 0, and 2. So just absolute negative 2, absolute value negative 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Absolute value 0 plus 4, the answer is 0 plus 4 is 4. Absolute value 2 plus 4 equal 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so now the point become negative 2, 6, 0, 4, 2, and 6. Okay, so now I make graph over here. Yeah? So I just pretend the line is straight. Oh, not straight. My bad. I erase a little bit. Ah, okay, try again. Okay, I hope. Yeah, I hope. Here we go. Better. So now this is okay. Now the first one for red. Yeah, the f. Yeah, f of x absolute value x. So now negative 2, 2. This is negative 1, negative 2, 1, and 2 right here. Okay. After that, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0. This is 0, 0. Okay. What next? 2, 2. 1 and 2 over here. Okay. So line become, the graph become like this and like this. Okay. This is for f of x. The red one is f of x. Okay. This is 2, yeah. Okay. Now for g. Negative 2, 6. Negative 2, 6. This is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right here, yeah, negative 2 and 6. So now what next? 0, 4. This is 0, 4. Okay, and 2, 6. Right here. Okay, so the graph becomes like this. Okay. Now, yeah, from this one we can see, yeah. So now, they ask question. Use the graphing tool to graph the function. How is the graph of G related to the graph of F? Okay, so now, look at again. So, let's see. So, okay, F is red. This is G, yeah? This is G of X. So, which one? Read for A. A, the graph of G is the graph of shifted 4 unit vertical down. Not down, but up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. We choose up. Okay. B, the graph of G is the graph of F shifted 4 unit vertical up. Yes, that's the answer for this question B. We choose B. Yeah, goes up by 4. Okay. Question? No. Yeah. So now go to the next one. Number 9. Graph the given function f and g in the same rectangular coordinate system. Use the integer value of x given to the right of the function to obtain order pairs. Describe how the graph of g is related to the graph of f. Okay, this is the same, yeah? They give x equals 0, 1, 4, 9. So I just write down for x, yeah? This is x. This is f of x. Okay, the x is 0, 1, 4, 9. Okay, square root 0. This is square root x, yeah? So square root 0 is 0. Square root 1 is 1. Square root 4 is 2. Square root 9 is 3. Okay, so we can coordinate 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 9, 3. Now G. Equal square root x plus 5. Okay, this is the same, yeah? 0, 1, 4, and 9. So square root 0 plus 5 equals square root 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. Square root 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Square root 4 plus 5. Square root 4, 2 plus 5 is 7. Square root 9 plus 5. Square root 9 is 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, so now we can plug in over there. Yeah, on the table, this is 0. I'm sorry, not x is red. Yeah, okay. So change color. This is 0. This is 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, another one for g of x is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so now you have to graph. Okay, so the graph. Okay, I just graph by myself. Okay, because I'm scared it's not working after that. Okay, just plug in over here. Okay, so now, okay, coordinate now. 0 for f of x. I use red ink, yeah? 0, 0. This is 0, 0. Okay, what next? 1, 1. 1, this is 1. Okay, after that, 4, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Okay, so the graph like this. Okay, so now this is for f of x, yeah. Now look at for g of x. 0, 5. Okay, this is 0, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Start from here. Next, 1, 6. 1, 6. Here. Okay. 4, 7. 4, 7. Yeah. 4, 7. This is 4, 7. Yeah. So now just, oh, I forgot for the 9, yeah. For the red one, I forgot red 9, yeah. 9, 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 2, 3 over here. Just pretend like this, yeah. So now look at G, 9, and 8. Yeah. So just pretend like this. Okay. So now look at the graph is like this. Look at on the answer. Which one? A, B, C, or D? Okay. The answer is B. Yeah. Because exactly the graph with, yeah, we graph this one. The answer is B. Okay. So now describe how the graph of G is related to the graph of F. The graph of G is this one. Yeah, just look at wait. Count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Yeah, shift it up 5 units. Okay, this one the answer. This one. Okay, it's not hard. Yeah, just graph. Okay. Now number 10. Use the vertical line test to identify graph in which y is a function of x. Which of the following statements is correct? Remember vertical lines. Okay. The vertical line test states that if any vertical line intersects a graph in more than one point, then the graph does not define y as a function of x. Just make a line over here. Okay. Oh, there are just 1 and 2. There are 2 points. So more than 1. So this is a function or not? It's not a function because more than 1. So y is not a function of x. Okay. Now go to the next one. Use the vertical line test to determine if y is a function of x in the graph. Okay. Just make a line. Vertical line. Vertical line. Okay, I use different. Yeah. Blue, only 1 point. Yeah. So which of the following statement is correct? Yeah. So which one? Y is a function of x? Yes, because only 1 point. So yes, y is a function of x. Okay. Now go to the next one. Use the graph of f to find the value f of 4. Remember f of x. You asked about f of 4. So we're looking for the x equal 4. Yeah. So which one x equal 4? This is x equal 4. Go up. So the answer is 2. So answer is 2. Go to the next one. Number 13. Use the graph to determine A, the function domain, B, the function's range, C, the x-intercepts, if any, D, the y-intercepts, if any, and E, the missing function values indicated by question marks below. So we have to find f of negative 2. Yeah, another one, f of 2 equal. Okay, so now the domain, remember, domain is x. Yeah, domain is X. So I just graph again over here, yeah. So it means this one is negative 1, go to 1, yeah, and just like this, yeah. Okay, okay. Now this is, yeah. Now look at again. To find the domain, look for all the input on the x-axis that correspond to point on the graph. Look at, remember, domain is from left to the right. Just look at that one. It's easy. Okay. There is no left boundary for the x coordinate of the point of the graph. So this is from, because no boundary, because the arrow, yeah, going up, yeah. So from negative infinity to infinity. So the domain, yeah, the domain is from negative infinity to infinity. Okay, you understand what I mean? Yeah, because there is no left boundary for the x coordinate of the point of the graph. Yeah, there is no right. Yeah, yeah, there is no right gaps the value of x that not occur. Yeah, so it means, yeah, there is no anything. Yeah, so it means no boundary. So just go over there. Yeah, just so the answer is from negative infinity to infinity. Okay, now range. Remember, range is from bottom to the top. So look at from the bottom over here to the top. Look at the x, the y axis. Sorry, range the y axis. Okay, so now look at from the bottom is negative 1. Yeah, include, yeah, negative 1. So because include is bracket negative 1 to infinity, parenthesis. Okay, now select the correct choice below and fill in any answer boxes within your choice. The x-intercepts, there are two x-intercepts, yeah, from here, is right. I'm sorry, I used to use x-intercept, use the that one. Okay, x-intercept, so it means negative 1 and 1. Okay, so just write down negative 1 and 1 here. Yeah, now how about the y-intercept? Okay, the y-intercept cross y-axis. Okay, what the answer is negative 1. Okay, the y-axis intercept is negative 1. So now look at again. You have to find f of negative 2. So find x equal negative 2. This one, x equal negative 2. Yeah, this is x equal 1, negative 2 over here. So go up. Yeah, which one the answer is? Negative 2. The answer is 3. Okay, the answer is 3 over here. Yeah, close 3. The answer is 3. So, 3. So now they ask about f of 2 equal, yeah, f of 2. Look at x equal 2. Yeah, look at x equal 2. What the answer? Again, yeah, 1, 2, and 3. The same, yeah? So now it's the same. So the answer is x equal 3. Okay, follow this one. Okay, now go to the next one. Use the graph to determine the following: the function's domain, B, the function's range, C, the x-intercepts, if any, D, the y-intercepts, if any, the function value f of negative 2 and f of 4. Okay, so now look at the the graph, yeah? So the graph like that. Remember, what is the function domain? Remember, always look at from left to the right. Yeah, look at x-axis from left to the right. Is it from negative infinity? Infinity. So because this is arrow, no boundary, so the answer is from negative infinity to infinity. That's right. Now look at range. Okay, look at range. Okay, this one. Okay, remember range is from bottom to the top. Okay, this is from this one, from negative infinity to where? To negative 1, yeah, because this is too small, yeah. So the range is from negative infinity to negative 1 bracket, yeah, because include, yeah. So now, see, find the x-intercept. There is no crosses on the x-axis, yeah, no crosses on the x-axis. So there's the x-intercept? No, there is no x-intercept because no crosses the x-axis. How about y-intercept? Yes, y-intercept. So you can look at the table. Y-intercept, you got the y-intercept over there. Yeah. So now this is over here. This is so small. Okay, over there. So small. So the y-intercept is negative 3. Okay. So the y-intercept is negative 3. So now f of negative 2. Okay. So if you make it bigger, okay, on your homework, you have to make it bigger so we can see, yeah. So look at x negative 2. Okay. Look at x negative 2. So because f of negative 2, yeah, f of negative 2, look at x equal negative 2. Okay, so the answer is negative 5. Okay, so this is negative 5. How about f of 4? Look at x equal 4. Okay, so the answer is, look at the graph. Okay, so try to make bigger. Okay, so the answer become negative 3. Okay, so now last one. Okay, last one. This is the same, yeah. Use the graph to determine the following. A, the function's domain, the function's range, the x-intercepts, if any, the y-intercept, if any, the function value indicated below f of 2. Okay, so now, what is the domain? Okay, remember, domain is from left to the right. Okay, so look at from this one to that one, right? So look at the x. Look at the x over here. Okay, so now the first one is, this is dark, yeah, yeah, the circle, yeah. Okay, so it means the answer become from 0 bracket because close. Okay, on the top is open, yeah, to 4 because open is parenthesis. Okay, remember from left to the right. Now look at range. Range from bottom to the top. Okay, look at this one to that one. Okay, from negative 9, yeah, this is close, yeah. So bracket negative 9 to 7. Okay, open. Okay, so now the x-intercept. Okay, the x-intercepts, look at crosses on the x-axis. Yeah, which one over there? Yeah, over here, the x-axis. So the answer become 3. Okay. How about y? Okay. Y. Y intercepts. So look at over cross over here. Exactly, yeah. So the y intercept is negative 9. Okay. So now they ask about, because f of 2, look at x equal to on the graph. Okay. X equal to, so I just clear first, yeah. So to make easy. So I can see, yeah. So I can make a little bit. So I can see. So x equal to, which one x equal to? Okay, x equal to, this is x equal to, and going down like that. Okay, so now the answer is for f of 2 equal negative 5. Okay, the answer is negative 5. Okay, that's all. So we will continue on the next video, section 2.2. Okay, see you. Bye bye.